Harshla, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing another I ate like someone. So last time I did this video, I tried eating like Komal Pandey for a day. So today I'm going to be eating like Kritika Khurana. Now I'm pretty sure you guys must be knowing her. She's a fashion blogger and I really like her Instagram. And she's also been doing really well on YouTube these days. Like she's just started posting regular content, which is amazing. I really like her content. Yeah, I think she was one of those very few people that I started following when Instagram was like just blooming, and it's really crazy how she has grown. I also really like how she's a Gemini and I'm also a Gemini. So in her videos I usually find that crazy chaotic energy that Geminis have, so I relate to that a lot. I think she's pretty fun, and today I'm going to be eating like her. I saw the first thing that she did in the morning was eating.
I have apple cider vinegar का shot in the morning. उसको dilute करना पड़ता है पानी से, ऐसे तो कोई भी नहीं ले सकता. I have a shot in the morning and I think मैं more than half a cup के साथ mix कर लेती हूँ उसको और मैं lukewarm water रखती हूँ. I know it tastes really bad, but it's really good for your skin, hair, and it has a lot of other benefits.
Sorry, the first thing that she did in the morning was taking a apple cider vinegar shot. So yeah, I'm going to be doing that. I've never really done that. This is actually my first time doing it. So yeah, I don't have the apple cider vinegar, but I do have those tablets. So I'm going to be diluting it and then I'm going to be drinking it. Yeah, wish me luck, guys. Anyway, let's just go. So now I'm in my kitchen and I have these ones by Plix. These are apple cider vinegar tablets. I've not even opened it. So I'm going to put like this much water, should be enough.
कॉफ़ी मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैंने ना अपने ब्रेन को आदत डाल दी है बोल के कि आई कांट फंक्शन विदाउट कॉफ़ी. एंड मुझे सुबह उठती मुझे ऐसा लगता है कॉफ़ी से मुझे एनर्जी मिलती है. सो आई हैव ब्लैक कॉफ़ी, कोल्ड ब्रू कॉफ़ी, एंड इट्स वेरी सिंपल. इसकी रेसिपी सब मुझसे पूछते रहते हैं बट इट्स वेरी सिंपल. मैं बस कॉफ़ी बॉईल करती हूँ, उसके बाद मैं एक जार में आइस भर देती हूँ एंड आई पोर कॉफ़ी जार में एंड उसके बाद मैं हनी ऐड कर लेती हूँ बिकॉज आई अवॉइड टू मच शुगर.
Okay, so for her breakfast she had cold coffee with honey, so I'm going to make that. But I just wanted to mention that apple cider vinegar, like I just had it and oh my god, I feel so weird in my chest. Like this is really the first time that I've tried it, and I think it is pretty acidic in nature, and cold coffee really spikes the acidity even more, and even chai has acidity. Chai gives you acidity. Like I don't know like how, and my body doesn't do that well with so much of acidic food. And honestly I'm not a fan of like cold coffee. I prefer like cappuccino. I mean, I was a coffee person 2-3 years ago and I was like obsessed with drinking coffee. Now it has like gone down and I'm like a chai person now. It's nice. I've never tried it with honey, so it's different. Oh, it's good. I think it's a lot refreshing, especially right now because you know it's getting like really hot. Like yesterday it was 37 degrees. Can you believe it? It's like really hot.
ओट्स वाली डाइट कर रही थी एंड आई कीप ऑन डूइंग दिस. मैं खुद स्विच करती रहती हूँ. आई हैव पराठाज ऑल्सो बट मैंने इस टाइम पे ओट्स चीला वाली और ओट्स वाली डाइट कर रही थी.
Welcome to the cooking show. No, not really. Okay, I'm going to be making the chila that she mentioned, which is like the oats chila. I just googled this recipe and I think this is Kavita's kitchen wala recipe. So I just put my oats, like I soaked them in for like 15 minutes. Now I'm going to put all the veggies like she mentioned. She put like onions, capsicum, tomatoes and all of that. So I'm going to put all of that in here and all the spices, and then as Kavita also put like some besan ka powder in it, besan ka flour. I'm going to put that and then yeah, we'll be making the chila. So let's go. So that is the chila. And last time I had chila with the spoon. That's because my mom gave it to me. If you don't believe it, my mom is sitting right here. I can ask her. Like, she just gave it to me, so I had it with the fork. But oh my god, the comment section was literally on fire. Everyone's like, who eats a chila with the fork and this and that? Like, right now also she got it for me because I was just setting up the camera. And see, she has still given me a fork. I know you're not supposed to eat it with fork, but I just had that on my plate, so I had it. And I think I did like explain to a couple of people, but then everybody had the same problem with the video, and I'm like, oh my god, like it's okay, like cut me some slack at least. Like, it's not like I've done some big crime or something like that. But anyway, this time I'm going to make sure that I use my hands. So yeah, that is oats chila. And so this is what she had for breakfast, and for lunch also she has the same thing, but like for lunch also she has the same thing, but with curd. I just think that I prefer variety in my food, like to eat chila like in both my meals, like that's like breakfast and my lunch. I don't know how that works out. Probably it works out for her, but I prefer like variety. Anyway, this is what I'm going to eat. Okay, it's really spicy. I think it's because of the mirchi. Now I'm going to finish this and probably see you when I eat the second chila for lunch, which I'm not really excited about. Like, I'm not looking forward to eating another chila, honestly.
भी मैं breakfast में खाती हूँ, मैं वही lunch में खाती हूँ, so I have the same thing in the lunch as well. वही same सब्जी या तोरी, या मैं साथ में curd भी ले लेती हूँ, मैं onions ले लेती हूँ, चटनी ले लेती हूँ, proper desi style. And then
hi guys, so it's lunchtime now and I am kinda hungry because I just got done filming this really fun reel. My room is literally a mess, but I'm super excited to post that reel because I think it turned out really like nice. So yeah, I am just going to go and have some lunch.
उसके बाद मुझे थोड़ी देर बाद जब मैं भूख लगती है तो मैं अराउंड 5ish या 6ish में वाटरमेलन या कुछ खा लेती हूँ. प्रेफरेबली थोड़ा उससे और जल्दी हो जाए तो ज़्यादा बेटर होता है वैसे. और वाटरमेलन इज़ गुड बिकॉज वो आपकी बॉडी को हाइड्रेटेड रखता है एंड आई लव इट. वाटरमेलन इज़ माई फेवरेट फ्रूट. माई डिनर्स वेरी लाइट यूजुअली, क्योंकि मैं 2 मील्स बहुत हैवी रखती हूँ. तो कभी मैं कॉफ़ी ले लेती हूँ, कोल्ड कॉफ़ी, विच इज़ नॉट गुड फॉर योर हेल्थ. रात को मत लिया करो, नींद नहीं आती है. बट आपको जो भी सूट करे, अगर ग्रीन टी लेनी है ग्रीन टी ले लो. मैं साथ में कोई मैंगो ले लेती हूँ या फ्रूट ले लेती हूँ, कुछ ऐसा सा रखती हूँ. एंड आई फॉरगॉट टू टेल यू, इससे पहले वाटरमेलन की थोड़ी देर बाद वॉक करने के बाद मैं आके सप्लीमेंट्स लेती हूँ. मुझे डॉक्टर ने भी प्रिस्क्राइब कर रखा है, इसलिए आई हैव दोज एज वेल एंड आई थिंक इट्स रियली गुड. ये
so it's dinner time now, and for her dinner, honestly, after the watermelon, she said that she usually goes for a walk. That's for an hour. Now I do work out in the morning, so I did that in the morning, so I really didn't do that. But anyway, this is like me eating like her and not me actually like spending a day like her. Anyway, so after that she had some supplements before dinner. Now I don't have any supplements honestly, and she too said that that has been recommended to her by her dietitian or like nutritionist. So yeah, and after that she has her dinner, and for her dinner she usually has either cold coffee or cold coffee raat ko is so bad, and she also mentions that because obviously neend nahi aayegi, that keeps you up. So I don't think so I'll be having cold coffee. The other thing that she mentioned is like she has chia seeds with mango chunks. Now mango ka season nahi hai, and chia seeds with milk is something that I don't want to have for dinner. She also mentioned her गीला पोहा, but I think she said that अगर रात को बहुत भूख लगती है तो बीच में she gets up and eats that. So yeah, that is her midnight snack, which she did not show. So the only thing that remains for me to eat is some kind of fruit. I have an apple. I also have a banana. So I'm just thinking कि banana खाऊँ या apple खाऊँ. Okay. So that was it for today's video. yeah, I ate like Kritika Khurana for a day, and I just want to conclude this video by saying that again, in no way, even my first video I had not made to like comment on people's diet, because I myself do YouTube and I know that people can be very rude and harsh and can criticize you for everything that you do, but this is in no way like I'm not trying to do that. I don't want to comment on anything like what she ate and how did it go. I'm just going to talk about my own experience. How did I feel? So I do feel pretty hungry even after having whatever I had. Now I myself have quit like non-vegetarian, so I myself like face a lot of problems when it comes to like my protein intake. If you look at what she had, I don't think so there was any sort of protein in the day. There was probiotic, so that's good. Like I think she had curd, so I also had curd, but which is something that you should include in your diet. I think jitna I have read, it keeps your gut healthy. So yeah, I just feel like it is not balanced at all, and if she eats this every single day, I think it can get very repetitive. I think din mein only you're having the same kind of meal twice, like same food twice, which I'm not saying is bad. Like eating the same sabzi is okay, but still, like I try to have different kind of rotis. So I'll have a chapati and then I'll have a bhakri. That's what we eat, Maharashtrians. So yeah, I just feel it wasn't balanced and I'm still pretty hungry. That's all that I would say. And honestly, diet differs from person to person because सबकी body अलग अलग होती है, सबका needs अलग अलग होता है. So ऐसा नहीं है कि what has worked for me will work for what has worked for her will work for me. So yeah, that's all that I would say. I really hope you enjoyed this video. This was just for entertainment purpose only and nothing else. And yeah, if you want me to like eat like anybody else, let me know and I'll try and make that for you guys for sure. And that being said, please like, share, comment and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I would definitely see you next time. Bye.